2023 CR 5033, State of Texas versus Frank Javier Hasso. Can I have the parties announced for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
Defense.
Your Honor, good morning. Frankie Sandoval on behalf of Mr. Hasso.
And are you Mr. Hasso?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
We have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Hasso, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Showing you the true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Correct, yes, ma'am.
Counsel, you waive the reading of the indictment.
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it at all the appropriate places?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams? That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
In the interest of justice, that would be our request, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, Mr. Hasso presents himself here accepting full responsibility and wishing to put this matter behind him by beginning this community supervision offer.
All right. So how many children do you have?
I have two, Your Honor.
What are their ages?
23 and 20
All right. If you were released today, who would you be living with?
with my cousin.
Does your cousin have any criminal history?
No, sir. Excuse me, Your Honor. No, ma'am.
That's okay. Mom always says when people address me as sir, that means that they're nervous.
Okay.
So settle down.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. So these tattoos you have, do they have significant meaning? And you know what I mean.
Yes, I do.
All right. All right. So there's going to be a gang supervision. You understand?
Sure.
All right. So are you currently active?
No, ma'am.
And which gang?
Or it's previous game. I'm no longer involved in
All right. Well, what previous game?
ATM.
ATM, like the ATM machine?
Like the ATM as in a football team.
All right. All right. Have you ever been employed?
Yes, of course.
Doing what?
All sorts of things. Tattoos, artists, mechanics.
Did you do any of your own tattoos?
I did
Which ones?
they're on my legs.
Oh, okay. Well, I don't think I need to see that, but I was going to tell you whether or not, based upon your tattoos that you've done, whether or not you should get more education in that field or maybe decide something new.
Thank you.
All right. What's your drug of choice?
None anymore.
Well, when you're in the free world,
It was
because I know it's a little bit hard to make drugs at the jail. So what was your drug of choice?
heroin
How often were you using?
every day.
So is the last day you stopped using when you were arrested?
That's correct.
How far did you go in school?
To 10th grade.
Why did you drop out?
Really no reasons.
Okay. All right. Do you have any questions of your client?
No, Your Honor.
All right. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to sentence you to 10 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 10 years. There's $1,000 fine that will be probated. $57 restitution to SAPD for drug testing. 200 hours of community service restitution. Probation, I will only allow him to buy out 100 of those hours. The rest you will have to do. And if you're buying out those hours, the court puts it at $7.25 per hour. And I suggest the San Antonio Food Bank, but if there's another charity you wish to donate to, you can.
Sure.
And I only choose the San Antonio Food Bank because I know there's some issues with food shortage. We're going to do a gang supervision. There should be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. If he's not accepted in gang supervision, then it's going to be field visits one time per month for at least 6 months, and then probation. If you want to do something less than that, just submit it to the court. There's going to be a TAP evaluation, and that's going to take place in custody. If the TAP we're going to follow recommendations of the TAP evaluations. Proof of employment within 45 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home healthcare provider with minors. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. Does your cousin live by himself?
No, he lives with his wife and kids.
How many children?
2.
What are their ages?
I believe under the age of 10. But he has a back house that's separate from the house that I would be staying. And they don't go back there.
All right, so here's the thing. I don't know if I want him living there or not, because I take people as human beings when they come before me, but you have the drug problem. You have the gang problem. And I just don't want that visited upon them. Sometimes family members enable us. They want to see the best in us. So they say, oh, yes, you can live here. And I don't want the children there picking up any bad habits. So I'm not going to allow you to live at a residence that has children. You understand? If there's an issue with housing, there are plenty of places free in San Antonio to stay, okay?
Sure.
So there's to be no residing with any household with minors.
If I may add, Your Honor,
Yes.
I really misunderstood the question when you asked about its significant meaning for the gangs. I haven't been in gangs since I was in school.
Okay.
Yeah, so
No, I
thought you were
understand,
asking something else.
But I will tell you, sometimes when people say, oh, I haven't been involved in a gang since school, and they could be 90 years old, but unless there's some documentation that they're no longer with a gang, probation is going to pick it up and it's going to be in the system as a gang member.
Sure.
And if that's something you wish to change, they'll be able to tell you how you can do that. All right. What I will do, probation, the remaining 100 hours of community service, if he is in some type of trade school, or if you're trying to better yourself so that you can get a better job, I'll consider waiving the remaining of those hours. You understand?
Thank you.
Probation, is there anything else he needs? Yes, there to be regular UAs and 90 meetings in 90 days. Is there anything else, probation? All right. Mr. Hasso, is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Not that I can think of, Your Honor.
All right. I'm showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
I did, Your Honor.
Dan?
I did.
All right. We can go off the record. And this court, to be successful on probation, communication is key. If you need something, probation officer is right there. Just let them know. If you feel there's an issue that they're not addressing, you can always come back to court. But from here on out, everything that you do when you're on probation in this court, before you take an action, there are 2 questions you should ask yourself. Is this something that could potentially result in me going to prison for 10 years? If the answer is yes, don't do it. If it's maybe it could potentially result in me going to prison for 10 years, don't do it. You understand?
I do, Your Honor.
I take no joy in sending people to prison for violating probation or sending people to prison, period, because that means that somebody was unsuccessful in their life. But your attorney, the deputies, and people who have been in this court before will tell you, but I will send people to prison if it's warranted. You understand?
Of course.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thank you for your words.
All right. And what is that? Is that anonymous on your tattoo? That one.
This is a Frankenstein heart.
I'm sorry. What?
Frankenstein heart.
Oh, Frankenstein's heart. Why did you do that? What's going on?
My name is Frank. So it was just.
I'm saying. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Did you catch that shocking court decision? Frank Javier Hasso's 10-year prison sentence was suspended, giving him a second chance at life. This case highlights responsibility, accountability, and how the justice system balances punishment with opportunity for redemption. From probation rules to community service, it's a real-life lesson in legal consequences and personal growth. If you want to see more real court rulings, shocking legal twists, and justice updates, make sure you subscribe to Ruling Today and never miss an update from the courtroom.